I have hazel eyes. A lot of the time, they just look brown. But if the sunlight hits them just right, they look hazel. So I'm going to do a makeup look for hazel eyes. I'm going to start with the Christian Dior Skin Perfect Face Stick. I've only used this a few times, but I'm enjoying it thus far. A little bit goes a long way. It kind of smells like Dove body wash. Next, the Natasha Denona concealer. I'll be doing kind of a heavy smoky eye, so I want to brighten up underneath. Let's bronze up with the Makeup by Mario. Now for blush, I'm going to use the Westman Atelier Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in Petal. This is a cool-toned mauvey pink, which will help bring out the green in my eyes. Powder, Kosas Cloud Set in Airy. And now for the eyes. I'm going to use purple because purple accentuates the green. This ILIA Cool Nudes palette has some great purple shades. I'm going to start with a wash of this all over the lid. For the crease, I'm going to use this burgundy shade. I'm going to focus mostly on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to use the Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal liner in Fig. I'm going to line the lash line and then smudge it out. that is not precise. I'll take a little bit underneath. This is definitely an evening hazel eye look. Mascara, Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions in black. Now for the lips. The Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Hot Sauce. On me, this is another very mauvey shade that will help bring out the green. Top it with some Westman Atelier Squeaky Clean Lip Balm in Nectar. And that's it. Do my eyes look a little more green? You tell me.